Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing empties and mini reviews. Let's get started. So today I have a food item to share. Normally I don't share food items, but I have to share these. They were so yummy. They're from the Palmer brand and they are called Cocoa Fluff Marshmallow Filled Snowballs. I found these at the Dollar Tree. You get about 12 pieces of candy. And they are little chocolate balls filled with marshmallow. And, well, marshmallow like fluff. And they were delicious. So I had to share these. Of course, we have some Parent Choice wipes. These are the fresh scent. I did get them in a 3-pack. 300 wipes in total for just under $7. We use these in the bathroom for makeup. They work great, they serve their purpose, and I will continue to purchase them, always. They're really nice and thick, they're always wet and saturated, and the scent is really nice. And then we decided to try these, which also come in a 3-pack. 80 wipes per pack, 240 wipes total. These were under $4. The downside to these is, in comparison, like the wipe itself is really nice. It's not thick, it's actually kind of thin, but it's very nice, extra soft, like really moisturizing kind of feel. And I do like that about them. They have a light scent, they are alcohol free, and they have chamomile and aloe. And I do like these wipes, but they are a lot thinner than these wipes. These wipes are really thick and like quilted. These, however, really, they're not. Like, you can stretch them out, start seeing through them. But they did serve their purpose, same thing, bathroom use, makeup stuff. Really good though. I don't like that, you know, this one comes with a plastic clasp on it. This comes with a, just like a little plasticky, papery thing. You can rip that right off of there. And sometimes you'll pull out not just one, but two at the same time because they stick together really good. So, those are just a few of the downsides on these. But I will repurchase these in the future. I did like them. I'm just going over all the cons as well. Assured brand safety swabs, 80 count, $1.25. Honestly, still a really good deal. I did get the ones that have the blue stick, and Connor still uses these safety swabs. They are obviously safer for his small ears, and they work fantastic. So I'll continue to purchase those. And the jumbo cotton balls, this is from the Studio Selection. They're from Dollar General. They were $1 for 100 cotton balls, which I think is a really good deal, better than DollarTree. And they serve their purpose. Nail polish, removal, toner, things like that. They work fantastic. I have an empty body spray from Axe. This is the Phoenix, and it's the 4-ounce can, so they're full size one, I believe. And it has a 48-hour high definition scent. It smells amazing. This is our favorite. No, I don't use this, but I do like to smell it on my husband. And Connor loves the Phoenix scent as well. So, we love this. We'll keep repurchasing Phoenix over and over again. You will see a lot of Phoenix in my videos. And this one's from Dollar Tree, and it's the Power Stick. And this one is an all-day fresh body spray, 3.5 ounces, and alpine timber. This was a very, very strong scent, but not overpowering. It smelled really nice. I feel that it was kind of woodsy, a little bit pine, not too much, not like you smelled like Christmas, but woodsy. Hence the name alpine timber, I guess, but it smelled amazing, honestly. Like, if I see this one again, this will definitely be purchased for John and Connor. But it is a very loud scent. They've also been enjoying the Old Spice Captain body wash. This is their Shower Fresh 24/7. So Old Spice body wash, 24 fluid ounce container of that. So bonus size. They really enjoyed this. The Old Spice stuff smells amazing as well. Right now they've switched back over to Axe, but the Old Spice was really nice. It smelled amazing. From Suave, I used up this Cocoa Butter and Shea deodorant. It's their Invisible Solid, 2.6 fluid ounces. This smells amazing. It worked great. And because I can't find the tropical one anymore in my area from Suave, because that one's my favorite, this is my new favorite. I love this one right now. And when I went back to Walmart to repurchase, it was sold out. So I had to take a different one, which I'll have a totally different review on and thoughts on soon. But I absolutely love this one. This one is my new favorite. And when I see it again in stock, I will definitely purchase it. I love this stuff. It works amazing. Amazing. It smells great too. Here's a product that I am not crazy about. Not crazy about at all. This is the Silk Ions Hair Care Pro Formula 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. It has pro vitamins, B5, aloe vera, soy protein, 32 fluid ounces. All sounds wonderful. It was $1.25. And I'm like, ooh, that's a good deal. I like a good 2-in-1 shampoo sometimes, which I do. But however, I am so disappointed with this. This seemed like it was thick when it comes out of the bottle, but it slips through your fingers like slime. So it has that weird texture consistency that I'm not crazy about. That I hate to even say it because I love DollarTree, but it feels cheap. And if I used this, or Connor or John used this in their hair, your hair would feel dirty on like day 2. And I say this in terms of me because Connor and John wash their hair more than me in the week. But I wash my hair once a week. And I've went over this before. This is just what my hair is used to. If this is normal for me. Once a week. And if I, do yard work and things like that, then of course I'm going to wash my hair more often in the summer and things like that. But typical, once a week. Once a week. So I just always feel like putting that disclaimer in there. This is just normal for me. I've done this for as far back as I can remember, being young teenager, really. Probably even before then. This is not it. This is not it. This does not keep your hair clean. Made my scalp feel itchy. The scent did not linger in the hair. I felt that my hair got really greasy when using this. And I don't like that either. So, this is a no-go. I will not be purchasing this anymore. If you have long, thick, natural curly hair, this may not be the shampoo for you either. Also, with that being said, if you use this and you love it and it works for you, that is great. This is just not the shampoo for me personally or my family. It did not work out for us. Now, because I don't like waste, we did use the entire bottle, but I will not repurchase. Now, next up I really loved this personal care body wash, and this one is my favorite one by far that I have tried, and I hope to find this one again in the store. It is sweet pineapple and melon. It smelled amazing. It lingered on the skin. I am thoroughly pleased with this body wash. It lathered really nicely. It was 15 ounces. It lingered on the skin. It made my skin feel soft and moisturized. And you just can't beat that. Like, the smell alone, it just smells so good. So, very, very happy with this product. Recommend it. I'll have some nail polish removers. This is the Onyx Professional Nail Polish Remover, 100% acetone. I get this at Dollar General or Walmart. It is 16 fluid ounces. This stuff works amazing. If you love using glitters and lots of hard to remove nail polish shimmers on your nails, you may really love this. However, it's not the greatest to use on your nails. It does dry them out. It will make them thin and brittle. It will cause slight damage to your nails. So I don't use this on my nails anymore, but I do use this on my nail stamping plates. So I repurchased this to clean my nail stamping plates, nail art brushes, and things like that. But it is really kind of harsh on your nails. But if you need a remover that will do glitters and shimmers and artificial nails and gel polish and all that stuff, definitely get you some of this because it's the best one I've ever used. And this is my favorite regular nail polish removal. It's from Equate. It's from Walmart. It's about $3 and some change, give or take. Equate brand, the advanced nail polish remover for natural nails. It's in a lavender scent. It is 16 fluid ounces. And if you're not new here, you already know I'm not crazy about lavender scents, but this one is, it barely exists. Like, it's so faint in this product, and over time you can't smell it at all, so it doesn't bother me. But this remover is amazing. I like this style of packaging too. It's kind of like box style. And purple. The polish remover is also purple. It does a really good job at removing even glitters, shimmers, all the hard stuff as well to get off of your nails. For me, it works fantastic. I highly recommend it if you need a good nail polish remover that's not too abrasive or drying out on your nails. Another good one for that is the Q-Tex Shield nail polish remover. That one is really good if you have problematic nails already and you need some extra something to help them get back on track. Yeah, pick up Q-Tex, the Shield one. You have to consistently use it for, you know, several months. So keep repurchasing it and your nails will become stronger and they will start to rebuild and become, you know, better than ever. Just so you know, just want to let you know. That one is fantastic too, but this one does just as good, except I don't think it has like the strengthening properties and things like that. It's just that it's just doesn't do damage to your nails. And here I have the Pond's Light Moisturizer. This stuff was really nice. I did find this at the Dollar Tree. I actually kept this at my makeup table. You get 2.53 fluid ounces, so 2.5 fluid ounces. This was really good. Not only is it name brand Pond's, but it was very thick, moisturizing. You could use this anywhere, but I like to use it at the makeup table after I did my eyebrows. I would put a little lotion around the area that I took the hairs away. You know, typically just moisturize it regularly with it sitting at my makeup table. It served its purpose. It did have a loud scent, a loud fresh kind of scent, but other than that it worked fantastic. It was amazing on dry skin, so I would pick this up again if I saw it. This is a product that is clearly not used up. I'm actually going to pass this along. This is an EOS dupe and it's from Spa Luxury and it's the Super Smooth Shave Cream. Super Smooth Shave Cream. Advanced moisturizing formula with shea butter and aloe in the scent Coconut Cream, 7 fluid ounces. Nice little pump there. I loved this product. Honestly, I did. But with a love-hate relationship. This stuff works really nice. It actually does mimic that EOS counterpart that it's trying to do. It really does. The scent, the consistency, the formula itself, so very similar. You can barely tell the difference between the two because I've used the EOS one as well. But same issue with both of them for me personally is that this is thick. It clogs the razor. Like, it does not want to come out of the razor. I use the Away Studio razors. You can get them on shopmissa.com. They're not expensive, but they're pricier than some that you can find in the store sometimes. This was like clogging them up and stuff, and I just didn't like it. I love how this feels on the legs. Like I said, it does give you a really nice shave. Super moisturizing. It's thick. It smells amazing. It works great, but I'm going to pass this along. Still at least half of this product left in the bottle, so maybe my mom or my sisters want to try this, and maybe they will enjoy it. But I was just so sick and tired of my razor becoming clogged. And at Dollar Tree, they have these in several different scents as well. So, yeah, you want a good EOS or EOS dupe? Yeah, definitely check into this one because they are sisters. I was really bummed about this product being empty now. I loved this. This is the Find Your Happy Place Pumpkin Spice Season Body Lotion. Look how cute the packaging is. I absolutely love it. It smelled amazing. If I ever saw this in store, I don't even know if they make it anymore, but I would definitely repurchase it. Amazing. The lotion was amazing. The scent was amazing. Everything about this was amazing. And I low-key want to keep this packaging to refill it. And then this is the Global Beauty Care Polishing Body Scrub in the watermelon. It has watermelon and hyaluronic acid. I'm not wearing my glasses, so I cannot see how many ounces this was. But yeah, the packaging is super cute on this. I did use it all. This smells amazing. I would definitely repurchase this one as well as the other scents if I see them in my Dollar Tree again. This was so good. It's a sugar scrub, and it wasn't abrasive. It's a sugar scrub. It also was like one of those foaming, even though it doesn't clarify that, and I don't know if it was supposed or like meant to be exactly like that, but it foamed when you scrubbed it into like your legs. I don't know. I really loved it. I used it on my legs after shaving. It worked amazing. The scent is amazing. The packaging is super duper cute. Really, really nice stuff. Highly recommend this one. I almost forgot this little guy. He was hiding. But it's the Curel Ultra Healing Intensive Moisture for 48 hours. 1 fluid ounce. We did find this at the Dollar Tree, and John has dry skin on his face. Every time he shaved, he would become irritated, and so we've been trying, well, he's been trying different lotions and stuff for that. We tried a bunch of different ones. This is the first one that we found that actually works. So he uses this after he shaves, and it has cleared his dry skin up. The irritation that he had is gone because of the dry skin, and this stuff works amazing. We've already repurchased this in a large size. It works amazing. So it's good. It's thick. I've used it on my face too, because in the winter my forehead always gets dry. No scent to it. Super moisturizing, and it does live up to its 48-hour claim. This stuff's amazing. Go get you some. I thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, found the reviews helpful. Maybe you will try some of these products out for yourselves. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.